Okay, so this is my solution for uh, a bike rack. So what I did is I took a standard rack off of Amazon. I installed some lighting right here, LED lighting. It's brake lights, turning lights, and running lights. And then, see, this one was for 4 standard bikes, but it fits 2 fat bikes perfectly. And where you put the tires, instead of slipping them into these slots here, you slip them between, and you lift these 2 over. And then what I do is I just Velcro the tires through here, and that keeps them in place. And then I just have to put this into the hitch. I got the rack in the hitch of my little road trek here, and you basically just have to slide it in. You put the hitch pin in and you're good to go. It keeps them somewhat off the ground. I actually have a hitch raiser which has a second location which is higher, which would even be more off the ground. But I just wanted to show that what this would look like if you went with this one. You can also put, like, barbecues, coolers, other things other than just bikes. But this is another solution for people who don't necessarily want to put a expensive bike rack on there. This was, when I bought it, it was maybe $150. It might have gone up a little bit. It might be $200 now. And then that light, LED lighting in the back is, I don't remember, but I'll put the price on the screen. So not too bad as far as pricing and utility. So if you take these two and put the tire right here on each side, and then I usually take some Velcro and Velcro through these hoops here around the tire, along with some ratcheting straps. Holds the bike pretty good. So as you can see, I have the bike up on the rack. I got the front wheel in between the two, and it even fits inside of the rotor, so you don't have to worry about bending your rotor. I have the rear right here. So that's it pretty much in a nutshell as far as the setup. I just put a couple of ratcheting straps across the body of the bike, kind of to hold it down. That's pretty sturdy, and I'm rocking it, forward and back. It's not going to move too much. And if you want to be extra, you probably want to put a strap right here or a bungee just to keep these in place. Those will help with the stability back and forth here, so it doesn't lean too much. But yeah, that was my solution to a bike carrier, because I didn't want to get one of those real fancy ones that just carried bikes. I also wanted to be able to carry like coolers and generators and stuff for my RV. So since I got this little RV and I wanted to be able to take my bike, This seemed like the easiest solution. And you know, I also have an attachment to this to make this a little bit higher, and that will help with like hitting bumps and stuff like that, because you know it's a little bit low in this configuration, but I do have that. It's just a little bit more work to put in installed, but it raises it a good another 8 inches, gives you plenty of clearance when you're coming down, hitting speed bumps, going over stuff like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show that as a solution for some people. Definitely strong enough. So hopefully you found this video helpful and it helps in your buying decisions. If you liked it, please click like. And if you really liked it, please subscribe. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.